Today, let's go over a famous grind 75 question that I solved a long time ago. This one is a very early question. It's a two-pointer question, so let's go over it. So you're given an integer array height, and you want to find the maximum amount of water that this container can store without tilting it. Basically, you want to find the width times the height of the smaller of the two bars, and you want to find the maximum amount that the container can store. So the brute force approach is just to go over every single pair, plus 1, length of heights, and then say that results, update result if it's bigger than the, so j minus I times minimum of height of I, height of j, because we're constrained by the shorter of the two, and then return result at the end. So this is going to time out, obviously. So instead, what we want to do is use a two-pointer technique. Give it a second. So almost there, but not. So instead, we want to sort in ascending order so that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And then we want to start the two pointers at either end of the array. So here and here, and we want to move based on which one is shorter, because the shorter one is obviously going to be the bottleneck factor because we want the maximum amount of water. So if we can move the shorter one, we have more of a chance of finding what we're looking for. So move the pointers inwards. And so the current is going to be right minus left times minimum of height of left, height of right. And then if height of left is less than height of right, again, we move that one inwards. Otherwise, we move right pointer because it doesn't matter if they're equal. And at the end, we can just return the result. And current is going to be updated. Oh, sorry, we can't sort this. We have to use their ordering. There we go. Passes all test cases. Pretty straightforward. As long as you understand two pointers, I think this is not too bad. It just really is based on visualizing how this works. But this can get a little tricky if you don't know how the trick to this, because from this, it's really hard to see how you can maximize that. But just remember, this is how you do it. And that's it for this video, and stay tuned for more.